Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a natural way to achieve youthful, wrinkle-free skin?
You're in the right place!
In this tutorial, I'll reveal a simple homemade recipe using natural ingredients. Our end goal is to create an effective anti-aging remedy that improves your skin's texture and appearance. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: fresh tomatoes, aloe vera, and natural oils like jojoba, grapeseed, and vitamin E. Next, chop the tomato and blend it to extract the juice. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Then, scoop out some aloe vera gel. This will hydrate and soothe your skin. Combine the tomato juice and aloe vera gel in a bowl. Mix them well until they're fully blended. Now add a few drops of your chosen natural oils. These oils nourish and combat premature aging. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, gently massaging it in. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. Afterwards, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry. Use this remedy regularly to enjoy firmer, smoother skin over time. In summary, we've learned to make a natural anti-aging remedy using simple ingredients. Now it's your turn to try this out and witness the difference. Don't forget to comment below with your results and where you're watching from. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Together, let's embrace the secret to youthful skin.